For this tutorial video, we are going to be using the purple mini mermaid tail package. All 3 color combos pictured here are available at fettifest.com. I love the size of these mini tails because they are perfect for smaller areas like gift top tables, mailboxes, and tent legs. Today we will be inflating our balloons to several different sizes, so I'm going to show you an easy way to measure them as you go. You will need a yardstick placed in front of you near where you are inflating the balloons. Start by slightly overfilling your balloon. Once filled, hold the balloon closed with one hand, but don't tie it yet. Move your hand holding the neck of the balloon to the end of a yardstick and measure it end to end by looking straight down on it. Slowly let the air out of the balloon until it reaches the desired size. You'll notice that there are 2 sizes of balloons in your box. You'll want to inflate the larger balloons to the following sizes and the smaller balloons to these sizes. You may want to pause the video here to reference while you work. You'll want to start by inflating the largest size of balloons, which is the 12-inch clusters. As you finish inflating the balloons, tie like sizes together into pairs and then wrap them around each other to make a set of 4, called a quad. You'll want to make sure that each quad has both of the included colors. As you finish each quad, make sure they stay separated by size so that you don't get confused when it's time to put it all together. When you get to the smallest size, just tie the remaining 2 into a pair. Finally, use the included pump to fill your mermaid tails. Make sure not to puncture through the back side of the foil as you insert the pump. Fill completely without overinflating. Tie the 2 tail balloons together using a string balloon. You can orient the tail balloons either way, but for today, I'm going to use a symmetrical orientation. Now it's time to round up your quads. I like to line them up on my working surface by size and just work my way down the line. Grab one of the included string balloons and tie the end to one of the 12-inch quads. Next, attach the second and third 12-inch quads by setting them on top of each other and attaching by making a figure 8 around 2 of the balloons in each of the quads. Now, work your way down the line from larger balloons to smallest balloons, tying on more string balloons when needed. When you add the last pair to the top, tie off the string balloon with a single knot. To add the tail, simply place the end of the tail balloons into the end of the garland and use the string balloon to make a figure 8 around the smallest balloons. You may have to work the balloons around to get them to stand the way that you would like. These garlands are great because they more or less stand on their own. You can refer to our general tips and tricks video for ideas on attaching to walls and other fixtures.